Hello everyone, this is Jyoti. Today let us discuss about sequence model. So let us get to know what is mean by sequence model. Sequence model is a behavioral model which shows a sequence of behavior shown by the system to the user to execute a particular use case. This behavior sequence is shown by the exchange of message between the set of objects. The message that are shared by the object can be procedural call or asynchronous signal which are useful for the execution of particular function in the system. Sequence model can be modeled into two ways. The one form is the scenario and the another and more structured form is the sequence diagram. Scenario, the word itself defines that it includes the written descriptions of the detail of an individual function. In terms of sequence model, a scenario is a sequence of the event that occur in order over a period of time to execute a particular functionality of the system. Well, it depends whether the scenario includes all the events of the system or only those which are involved by the object of the execution of a particular use case. This scenario is helpful in two ways. While the modifying a system where the developer can refer to the scenario as a set of sequential historical events executing the actual system, or while developing a new system, developer refers scenario can a set of events that would be required to executing the proposed system. Let us consider an example for the scenario. This is an example for the scenario which is of scenario of the online stock broker section. The scenario displayed in this figure is an high-level interaction as the first event of the scenario which is the John Dogs logs in itself has a several messages to exchange between the John and the system. Like the system asks the username and password. John then puts the username and password. The system verifies the identification and then allow John to log in. But in the early stage, developer frames the scenario at the high level, and in the later stage, the developer they concentrate on detailing of the events. Scenario include the exchange of message and also the operation performed by the object. For first, the developer discover the object that need to be interact to execute an event. Between the interacting object, the developer have to decide who will be the sender and the receiver of the message along with the sequence in which the message will be exchanged. After all this, operations are added to the internal computations and then the scenario is turned down to code. So, the next sequence model is the sequence diagram that is for more explanatory and well structured which are discussed in coming section. Sequence diagram. The sequence diagram clearly displays the sender and the receiver of the message and also the sequence of the message exchange which provide a clear vision of the interaction between them. Thereby, the sequence diagram reveals how the actor interact with the system to execute all or a part of the use case. Sequence diagram has a components like actors. The actors which are the entities that interact with the system or an external to the system. Next one is lifeline. Lifeline shows the amount of the system spent by the actors or the system during the interaction. Next, message. The message is the formation sent by the sender to the receiver. The message is represented by an horizontal arrow in the sequence diagram where the arrow is towards the receiver of the message. Message can be synchronous, which means the sender waits for the receiver to proceed the send message before proceeding further, or else the message can be asynchronous where the sender proceeds without waiting for the receiver to complete the proceeding of the message send messaging. This figure shows the sequence diagram of the scenario that we have discussed in above for the stockbroker section. It is not compulsory that we should describe the use case in a single sequence diagram. It always better to show a portions of the use case. In a sequence diagram, a large case interaction may have several independent tasks that could be combined in many ways. So instead of getting it messed by repeating the message, we can implement a separate sequence diagram for each task, like sequence diagram for stock purchase, sequence diagram for stock quotes, and sequence diagram for the stock purchase that fails. Finally, the guidelines for sequence model. The sequence model adds details and elaborate the information themes of use case. There are two kinds of sequence model. Scenario documents a sequence of events with course. Sequence diagram also document the sequence of events but more clearly show that actors involved. So some of the following guidelines for sequence model are: prepare at least one scenario per use case. Second one, abstract the scenario into sequence diagram. Third one, divide the complex interaction. Finally, prepare a sequence diagram for each error condition. This is all about the sequence model. Thank you.